Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use multiple Snapchat accounts on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, head to the top right corner and tap on the Settings gear icon. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings menu and tap on the Log Out option. You'll see a confirmation pop-up. Just tap Log Out again to confirm. If you already have another Snapchat account saved, simply swipe left and tap on the account you want to log into. If you don't have another account added yet, tap on Switch Account. Enter your login credentials, tap Log In, and you're all set. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.